Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to change your password on Telegram web using your PC with the latest update. If you're looking to update your passcode for added security, follow these simple steps to do it quickly. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Telegram website. If you're not logged in yet, simply enter your phone number and the verification code sent to your device to log in to your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of the screen and you'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click on those lines to open the side menu. Next, scroll down and click on Settings. This will open the Settings page, where you'll find various options to customize your Telegram experience. From here, click on Privacy and Security. Now, you'll need to find the section labeled Passcode Lock. This is where you can manage your passcode settings. Click on Passcode Lock to proceed. You'll be prompted to change your passcode. Click on the Change Passcode button to move forward. Next, you'll be asked to enter your current passcode. This is the password you set up earlier to secure your account. Type it in and then click Next. Once your current passcode is verified, you'll be asked to enter your new passcode. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password that's easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. After entering your new passcode, you'll need to confirm it by typing it in again. Finally, click Save or Done to finish the process. Your new passcode is now set, and your account is more secure than ever. That's it. Changing your password on Telegram web is quick and easy, and it's a great way to keep your account safe. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.